If your HP OfficeJet 200 or 250 mobile printer stops printing and a paper jam error message displays, follow these steps to fix the jam and clear the error message. On the printer control panel, press OK to attempt to clear the jam automatically. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Remove all loose and jammed paper from the input tray. Shine a flashlight in the input tray area and remove any paper you find. If necessary, close the scanner input tray. Check the output slot with a flashlight, removing any jammed paper found. Open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before you continue. From the rear, disconnect the power cord and any other attached cables. You must power off the printer and disconnect it from the power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Push in on the tab and then remove the battery cover. Push up on the silver tab to release the battery and then set it aside. From the front, shine a flashlight in the ink cartridge access area and remove any jammed paper or bits of paper found. Push the carriage to one side and then to the other side, removing any paper found. Close the ink cartridge access door. From the rear, slide the right side of the battery into the printer and push forward to snap it into place. Slide the tab on the battery cover into the groove on the right side, then push forward to snap it into place. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord and any previously connected cables. From the front, power on the printer. Load paper and try to print your document. If there is still a paper jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.